I am super excited because today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and delicious sauteed mushrooms and scrambled tofu. And it only takes about 15 minutes. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is break up the tofu. Now I am using extra firm tofu. Take it out of the package, drain it, and then get in there. Use your fingers and just crumple it all up. Up next, we're gonna add in our seasonings. So we're gonna start with the turmeric, and this is a recipe where I don't really measure a lot of the stuff. So for you guys, I'm going to measure. We're gonna add in about a tablespoon of turmeric, and this is just gonna give it a nice golden color, kind of like the whole scrambled eggs things, right? So next we're gonna add in a couple dashes of dried parsley, a couple dashes of black pepper to your taste, and last but certainly not least, a couple dashes of salt, once again to your taste. So we're gonna mix all of this up, make sure everything is fully incorporated. And as you can see, I left some of the tofu in larger chunks. Don't worry about it, you can break them up as you fry it in the pan. It's not a big deal. And as you mix, they'll gradually break down anyway, so it's all good. All right, this is looking fantastical. Let's move this over to the frying pan. All right, so over here at the frying pan, we're gonna add in just a little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna saute our chopped onions for about 5 minutes. Once your onions are all ready to go, we're gonna add in the tofu. And at this point, there's really not a whole lot to do. You're just sort of heating the tofu through. And totally up to you, but maybe a nice little golden crust on some parts of the tofu as well. Once the tofu's done, like 5 minutes, you're gonna add some sesame oil, about half a tablespoon, to the same or different frying pan, and then you're gonna saute your mushrooms. Give the mushrooms a couple of minutes because they need to release some of their moisture. And we're done. I'm gonna toast up a couple of bagels, and let's plate this and eat. This is definitely one of my favorite recipes. You guys need to give this a go. And let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I'm so hungry.